It is the Supreme Lord's principle that whenever atheists and those who do not surrender to Krishna, they become prominent in society, Krishna will take action to vanquish such demoniac people and principles, either in the form of various natural disasters or wars or epidemics or the annihilation of such people by the Supreme Lord Himself, personally descending as an incarnation. That is how when Krishna descended, the result of Krishna's descent was a huge war. The first world war, where kings from all over the world assembled and fought to the death. How many people were killed? It is said that after the Kurukshetra war, 64 crore lives were lost. This included humans, horses, elephants, and all such living beings who were used in the battle. So you can imagine such a vast, it was a mass destruction. So why did that happen? Because of Krishna's descent. Similarly, you look at Lord Ramachandra, the result of his descent was another war. A war in which the entire dynasty of Ravana was completely annihilated, and the entire Lanka was completely devastated. So, whenever the Lord descends, why is there such violence and war? Look at when Parashurama descended. When Parashurama descended, 21 times the entire race of the royal families in the world was wiped out. 21 times. It is said that during Parashurama's descent, the whole world was flooded with a river of blood. So many wars were fought. So whenever the Lord descends, there is some violence and there is fight and large-scale loss of lives happens. Why? Because it is the Lord's purpose to establish the principles of Dharma, and for this purpose, in order to achieve that, the annihilation of the demoniac principles is essential. Without annihilating them, it is not possible. So, in the Supreme Lord's scheme of things, there is no scope for a secular government where the government has nothing to do with the religious beliefs of the people. If you believe in God, also fine. If you don't believe in God, also fine. Atheism is also acceptable in society. Absolutely not acceptable for the Lord in His society. When the atheistic principles increase, the Lord will take steps to rectify the anomaly in the society. Because human beings are meant to worship the Supreme Lord and develop spiritually and liberate oneself from this miserable material life of birth and death. The human form of life is not meant for simply some sense gratification, living in ignorance of the Supreme Lord and our relationship with Him and the purpose of our life. It is not meant for that. So, but current day people's thinking is what? Life is not meant to understand about God and all. That is all, some people who have some blind faith, they will follow. Purpose of life is for economic development, enjoyment. We should all live in peace and harmony, and we should maximize the sense gratificatory conveniences in life. This is the goal of life. This is the product of an atheistic mentality. And such a civilization can never last, because immediately the Lord will take steps to rectify the situation. Therefore, we'll have tsunamis, we'll have earthquakes, we'll have COVID-19, we'll have COVID-21, we'll have Omicron, M-micron, N-micron, Z-micron, everything will come and attack us. Until and unless we learn and we rectify ourselves.